Hello and welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're going to make some salmon burgers. Now this is about, look like 2 cups of pre-cooked salmon that we made a couple of days ago. So I decided to make burgers out of some of it. Now this is 1 tablespoon of chopped green bell pepper and 1 tablespoon of red onions. Okay, and then we have a tablespoon here of green onions. Then we have a 1/2 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, a little cayenne pepper. You know, you got to give it a little kick. It's a salmon burger. You're going to put in it whatever you want to eat, whatever you like. And then we're going to add 1 egg. And then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. I just want to get this egg kind of worked up a little bit in here. I may not use a whole 1/2 cup of, but let's see what happens. Because you want it to really hold its shape. Just a little bit more. So that was like 3, 1/2 cup, half of a 1/2 cup. Alrighty. Gonna put some oil here. I had my stove on low. Just a little bit of oil. So that we can fry them up. Now, like I said before, it's whatever you want in your, it's a salmon burger. So you're going to put in it whatever you like to eat. But this is how I make mine. So I'll get about 3 out of this. You don't want to make them too big. You want to make them really nice and juicy. Okay, so here we go. First one first. Make me a nice patty. This is gonna be tasty and juicy. There we go. Okay. As I said before, we're gonna get 3 out of this. Low and slow, guys. You don't want them cooking too fast. You want them low and slow. So my stove is on medium right now. And we're going to fry these up. and you'll see. Here we go. I turned my patties over. Now they can be taken out. Lovely. So there we go. Now, I'm gonna put one together. Put some mayo on here. Or you can put tartar sauce. It all goes to your preference. I like cheese on mine, so I'm gonna start with my lettuce, a good slice of tomato, put my cheese at the bottom, I think, yeah. And then two slices of pickle. Now this is the one that I like, because you don't get those small pieces. You have that big, nice pieces on there. Now which one should I take? There we go. Let's go for this one. Oops. There we go. There we go. And that's it, guys. Oh, look at that. Look, just look at that. Is that a beauty or what? Look at that beauty. Let's slice it open. See what we have here. Very good. Look at that, guys. My salmon burger. Thank you for joining me on Judy Cooking 360. See you guys next time. Enjoy.